Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Well, it's fall, it's the perfect time for baking, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the recipe for some super tasty and moist pumpkin bread. If you're a fan of pumpkin bread, I'm sure you're going to love this recipe, and if you've never tried it before, then you should most definitely give it a go. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by lightly beating 2 large eggs. Then add 1 15 ounces can of pumpkin puree, about 1.5 cups. Half cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 to 1 cup of light brown sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. Then add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of cloves, half teaspoon of ginger, and half teaspoon of salt. Next, whisk everything well to combine. When everything is nicely combined, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of baking soda and half cup of pecan pieces. Then mix everything until just combined. Do not overmix it. Next, grease a loaf pan with butter or oil. And sprinkle some flour to coat all sides, removing any excess. Transfer the pumpkin bread batter into the pan. This is optional, but I also like and recommend topping the pumpkin bread with some white or dark chocolate chips and pumpkin seeds. Bake the bread in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius for 1 hour, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Your house will be filled with the smell of spices, and customers are gonna start showing up. "55 minutes to 1 hour is usually the perfect amount of time to bake this bread. This pumpkin bread is so tasty. I love the crunch from the pecans and how moist it usually is. I love it, and I know somebody else that loves it too. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe as much as my furry customer did. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.